Hello guys, today we are starting with the fundamental trigonometric identities. These identity we have learned in 10th class, but still we are getting the question of JEE mains from these identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. So from these identity I can also say that sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Right, and I know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, so I can write it as sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. I need the value of sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta, so I am doing here squaring both side. So a plus b whole square will be sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta equal to 1. Now sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta will be 2 sin square theta cos square theta will go here, and 1 minus sin, we will get 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square. Okay, now another identity will be sin raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta will be 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Now to solve this identity I can write sin square theta cube plus cos square theta cube, that will be a cube plus b cube. So I can get the value of a cube plus b cube from sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. If I do cubic raised to 3, sorry, sin square theta plus cos square theta raised to 3 power, right? So a plus b whole cube will be sin square theta cube plus cos square theta cube plus 3 cos square theta sin square theta and sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab product में a square plus a plus b. So a plus b will be 1. So sin raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta will be 1 minus 3 cos square theta sin square theta. This is the identity. So from these two identity, we are solving one question of 2019. The question here is, yes, this is the question. This question is from JEE Mains 2019. The question here is f subscript में k x is equal to 1 upon k sin x raised to k plus cos x raised to k. Right, now they want the value of f of x subscript 4 minus f of x subscript 6. So for f of 4 x will be 1 by 4 of sin raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x. Right, now we know the value of sin raised to 4 plus cos raised to 4, that will be 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Right, now f of x 6 will be 1 by 6 of sin raised to 6x plus cos raised to 6x. So that will be 1 by 6 of 1 minus 3 sin cube x cos, sorry, sin square x cos square x. Now they want us the difference of these two equations. So if we subtract these two equations, so that will be 1 by 4 multiplied by 1, that will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 multiplied by these two, that will be 1 by 2 of sin square x cos square x minus this 1 by 6 multiplied by 1, so that will be 1 by 6, and this will be minus minus plus 1 by 2 of sin square x cos square x. Right, so this plus and minus will cancel out. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 will be 1 by 12. Option A. Now on the basis of our two fundamental identities sin square x plus cos square x, we have one more question. Now check out this question of 2021. This question is based on trigonometric basic identity also and logarithm also. The first equation that they have given us is log sin x base 10 plus log cos x base 10 is equal to minus 1. Now we know that log with the base same base and plus sign, we get multiplication, like log m base a plus log n base a will be log m into n base a. Right, so I can write this equation as log sin x cos x base 10 equal to minus 1. and I can send this log with the base 10 here, so that will be 10 raised to minus 1, so 1 by 10 sin x cos x, right? So value of sin x cos x is 1 by 10. Now I can, so after solving this equation, I have found the value of sin x cos x as 1 by 10. Now in the second equation, they have given us log sin x plus cos x base 10 is equal to 1 by 2 of log n base 10 minus 1. Now I can send this 1 by 2 from here to here. So that will be 2 times of log base 10 sin x plus cos x, right? It will be equal to log n base 10 minus 1. Now, if I send this multiplication of 2 from here to the power, so that will be log base 10 sin x plus cos x whole square, right? So I can write it as log base 10 a plus b whole square will be sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x, right? And sin square x cos square x will be 1. So we are getting the value log base 10 sin square x cos square x will be 1 plus 2 times of sin x cos x is 1 by 10, so that will be 1 by 10. So we are getting 1 by 5. So from that we are getting the value of LHS as 6 by 5 of log base 10, right? Now to find the value of n, to find the value of n, I need to solve this equation. From LHS we have found the value as log 6 by 5 base 10 is equal to, in RHS we have log n base 10 minus, I can write this one as log 10 base 10 to solve the equation. Now log m minus n is log m upon n, so we are getting log n by 10 base 10 log 6 by 5 base 10. Now log base 10 log base 10 cancel out, so 6 by 5 is equal to n by 10. After solving this, we get the value of n as 12, option B. Now I'm trying a harder question here. Now the question here is, if 10 sin raised to 4 theta plus 15 cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 6, then the value of 27 cosec square theta plus 8 sec raised to 6 theta upon 16 sec raised to 8 theta, right? Now to solve this equation, the equation here is in sine and cos. Can I convert these two equation in one trigonometric function? To solve that one trigonometric function, I can write this cos raised to 4 theta as cos square theta square, and I can write this cos square theta as 1 minus sine square theta's whole square, right? Equal to 6, and here I can write 15 plus 10 sine square theta's square, right? Now I can substitute here that sine square theta as a variable, so I'm writing it as z, so that will be 10 z square plus 15 1 minus z square whole square equal to 6. Now I can find the value of z square from the quadratic equation, right? So the equation will be, if I open this whole square, that will be 1 plus z square plus minus 2z equal to 6, so 10 z square. Now that will be 10 z square plus 15 z square is 25 z square, right? And minus of 30 z plus 15 minus 6 will be 9, so that will be 9 equal to 0. Now if you look this quadratic equation carefully, you can find that this is an whole square of 5z minus 3 whole square equal to 0. Now the value of z will be 3 by 5. Now what we have taken the value of z as sine square theta. So sine square theta, we have the value of sine square theta is 3 by 5. Then the value of cos square theta will be 2 by 5, right? Now from that we can find the value of this whole equation. So the value will be 27 cosec raised to 6 theta will be 1 upon sine square theta's cube plus 8 times of sec raised to 6 theta will be 1 upon cos square theta's cube upon 16. Sec raised to 8 theta will be 1 upon cos square theta's raised to power 4, right? So to multiply this, 27 1 upon sine square theta will be 5 by 3 cube plus 8 1 upon cos square theta will be 5 by 2 cube upon 16. 1 upon cos square theta will be 5 by 2 raised to 4. So cube of 3 will be 27, cube of 8 will be 2 will be 8, cube of 2 raised to 4 will be 16. So we have 5 raised to 3, that is 125 plus 125 is 250 upon 625. Now if we solve this, we will get the value as 2 by 5, option A. So now we have solved the question of JEE 2025. All these questions are based on the 10th class identities of fundamental trigonometric identities, right? Now this question is very interesting. JEE mains of 2025's question. Now the equation here is sin x plus sin square x is equal to 1, then and x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, then the value of cos raised to 12x plus 10 raised to 12x plus 3 times of cos raised to 10x plus 10 raised to 10x plus cos raised to 8x plus 10 raised to 8x plus cos raised to 6x plus 10 raised to 6x, right? Now to solve this equation, first I have to simplify this sin x plus sin square x. It is a very famous form. I can send this sin square x here, so that will be sin x equal to 1 minus sin square x, right? And 1 minus sin square x will be cos square x, right? So sin x, value of sin x I can substitute here as cos square x. Okay, and again from here I can also find the value of tan x also, because in the equation I can see we have so many forms of cos x and tan x. So I can write this cos x here in the denominator, so that will be tan x is also equal to cos x, right? So first I'm using this tan x is equal to cos x in this equation. So the equation will be cos raised to 12x plus tan raised to 12x will be cos raised to 12x, because cos is equal to 10. So that will be cos raised to 12x, right? Plus 3 times of cos raised to 10x plus cos raised to 10x will be 2 times of cos raised to 10x plus cos raised to 8x plus tan raised to 8x will be 2 times of cos raised to 10x, right? Cos raised to 6x plus tan raised to 6x will be 2 times of cos raised to 6x, right? Now here I can also write this as 2 times of cos raised to 12x, 2 times of cos raised to 12x. Now cos square x is sin x, so I can write this cos raised to 12x is 2 times of sin raised to 6x plus 3 times of 2 times of sin raised cos raised to 10x will be sin raised to 5x, right? Plus 2 times of this is 8x. I have written as 10, my mistake. Cos raised to 8x will be sin raised to 4x, right? Plus 2 times of cos raised to 6x will be sin raised to cube x. Why? Because cos square x is sin x. Now I can take common here. From here, if I take common sin cube x, I have taken common, and 2 also I am taking common. So we are getting here sin cube x plus 3 times of sin square x plus 3 times of sin x plus 1. Now what is this? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the whole cube of sin x plus 1's whole cube. Good, right? Multiply by 2 sin cube x. Now if I multiply this sin cube inside, I will get 2 times of sin square x plus sin x whole cube. Now the value of sin square x plus sin x is 1, so that will be 2 times of 1. So answer is 2, option C. Now if I can say, now we have solved the question of fundamental trigonometric identities, which is of 10th class, and we have solved 4 questions from these identities of JEE 2025, 2019 and 2021. Now these two we have 2 more identities. This is of similar concept, like we know that sec squared theta is equal to 1 plus tan squared theta, right? If I send this tan squared theta from to our LHS, I will get sec squared theta minus tan squared theta, that will be equal to 1. Now a square minus b square is sec squared theta, sorry, a square minus b square is a plus b a minus b, so sec theta plus tan theta multiply by sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1. So sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta, right? This is the same concept. Similarly, cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta minus cot theta. Now we have one easy question on that. So from that question, we can take an example. Like if the value of cosec theta plus cot theta equal to 4, what will be the value of sine theta? What will be the value of sine theta? Now, I know that cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 4. Then cosec theta minus cot theta will be cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 4. Then 1 upon cosec theta plus cot theta. So value of cosec theta plus minus cot theta will be 1 by 4, right? Because they are reciprocal of each other. Now, if I add these two equations, then cot theta will cancel out by cot theta. I will get 2 cosec theta is equal to 4 plus 1 by 4. I will get 17 by 4. Now, if I solve this, I will get the value of cosec theta as 17 by 8, and the value of sine theta will be 8 by 17. Easy, right? Now, similarly, I have one question here. It is also PYQ of a state level exam. If tan theta plus sec theta is equal to e raised to x, then the value of cos theta is equal to. Now, to solve this, if tan theta plus sec theta is equal to e raised to x, so I can use one identity that tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta minus sec theta, right? So the value of tan theta minus sec theta will be 1 upon e raised to x, right? So tan theta minus sec theta is equal to e raised to minus x, right? Now, to find the value of cos theta, I have to subtract these two equations, subtract, right? Tan theta plus sec theta equal to e raised to x. So I am subtracting these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So if I subtract this, so that will be minus, minus, minus. This will cancel out. This will be minus 2 sec theta equal to e raised to x minus x minus e raised to x. So sec theta will be minus of e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon 2, and cos theta will be 2 upon e raised to x minus e raised to minus x, right? So this is the option B is correct. So thank you. So the thing here is, we have solved only the basic trigonometric, fundamental trigonometric identities now, and the base on these identities we have solved this J mains question and state level questions. The second video that I will make on this series of trigonometry, I will take the quadrant form and sign convention of 11th class of trigonometric function, and on the basis of that we will solve the more J PYQs. So stay tuned and let me know in the comment how you have like what is your experience on this video, and thank you.